Good morning everyone, I'm the Cadet Cuerda Remarks. So for today, I'm going to explain how to plot a ship position using observation of stars during twilight. So since our their position is given, so our latitude is 44 degrees 10 minutes north and longitude 169 degrees and 30 minutes S. So how to get that their position? So just measure and drag your triangle ruler to the 10 minutes that. So make a imaginary line. So the same way to the longitude. Just measure and drag your triangle ruler and make imaginary line to 169 degrees 30 minutes S. So after that, since we have our their position here, so make a triangle. So determine that that are their position. So next to do is since we have an azimuth of or ZN of 85.2, so bring that in the compass rule. So this is 90 degrees, so 85 located here, 85.2 degrees. So it's easy to do, to measure and then drag to their position. So since our their position is here, so just drag your azimuth. So that's our azimuth 85.2. so just make a imaginary line. So after that, you measure 90 degrees to your PL to get our PL. So 90 degrees, where's 90 degrees? Here, 90 degrees here, 90 degrees. So after that, so in getting the PL, if you want to drag the PL to the compass rose, it's okay, but to do easy, just add and subtract. Add 90 and subtract 90. So since our ZN is 85.2, so just subtract 90. So the answer is 355.2 degrees. That's our PL. So second PL na to is addition 85.2 plus 90, so our PL is 175.2 degrees. So that's our PL. So nakuha na itong PL. So next to do is to get the longitude and latitude to our intercept. So since our intercept is here, so get the intercept or intercept terminal point. So this is our ITP. So just measure that, make a imaginary line. Then our ITP is 44 degrees 10 minutes north and 169 degrees 20 minutes is longitude. So that's our ITP for the markup. So next is to proceed to the second star. So our second star is Rosalhag. So the same way, so since we now have their position, so just measure our Rosalhag azimuth is 183.3 degrees. So the same way, just measure to the compass rose, then drag to their position. So make a imaginary line that. So next to do is get the intercept. So our intercept is 6.4 towards. So the same way, so just measure here 6.4 towards, then bring to their position. So this is our 6.4 towards that. So to get the PL, so the same way, you need to measure 90 degrees. So 90 degrees to appeal. So just underline here, make an imaginary line. So it's up to you if you want to bring that PL to the compass rose. But too easy, just add and subtract. So since our azimuth is 183.3 degrees plus 90 degrees is equal to 273.3 degrees. So that's our first PL. So CKPL is 183.3 degrees minus 90 degrees is equals to 093.3 degrees. So that's our CKPL. So next to do is to get the ITP or intercept terminal points. So here are ITP. So just measure here. So 44 degrees 3 minutes north. So that's our latitude. So our longitude is like that. So measure is easy to measure. So our longitude is 169 degrees 29 minutes S. So that's our intercept terminal point for Rosalhag. So that's all. Thank you.